High-end touch smart multimeter. Smart sensor touch screen like a mobile phone. Type-C charging port. Connect the test list to meter. Accurate and stable resistance measurement for daily use. Quickly check diode condition to make troubleshooting more efficient. Instantly confirm if the copper core inside the wire is broken with intuitive operation. Easily measure capacitance for everyday testing and maintenance. Automatic identification of DC voltage. Automatic identification of AC voltage. Measure temperature. The temperature measurement comparison is very accurate. Detect voltage without contact for safer operation. Easily identify live and neutral wires with clear signal indication. Measure the AC current value of the light bulb in operation. Measure the DC current value of the lamp strip during operation. Equipped with V-reverse display and flashlight lighting, you'll never struggle to see the mirroring position clearly.